Hi guys, this is your very welcome to the Phoenix Mall of Asia in Bangalore at Karnataka, where the fun never ends. Today we are diving into an exciting adventure at one of the mall's most thrilling attraction, the bowling alley called Time Zone. Step inside and prepare to be amazed by the sights and sounds of the ultimate bowling experience. The atmosphere is electric with the sound of crashing pins and cheers filling the air. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a first time bowler, there's something for everyone here. The lanes are equipped with state of art technology, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable game every time. Strike after strike, the excitement never ends. But it's not just about the
Nice.
game, it's about the experience. But one bad thing is the staff members are not too helpful to assist you with anything you need. So it was a bit crowded when we visited, and there was a lot of waiting period for us to enter into the bowling area. So just plan your day accordingly and then go and enjoy the game. From birthday parties to casual hangouts, the bowling alley at Phoenix Mall of Asia is the perfect destination for fun-filled moments and unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your friends, lace up those bowling shows, and let the good times roll.
Nice. Nice.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna
Oh
dance to
no.
the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning
good one. Shot, good one, good one.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and join us for a game of bowling at Phoenix Mall of Asia. We'll see you at the lane.